In today's dynamic healthcare landscape, there is one proven supply chain solution that expertly manages all your inventory for you, anticipates your facility's needs, and delivers what you want, exactly where and when you need it. It's called ValueLink, an advanced distribution service that continues to redefine logistics and inventory management at leading hospitals. To understand the effectiveness of ValueLink, let's follow a Cardinal Health Instant Cold Pack from dock to stock. The journey begins with you saving a remarkable amount of space and inventory costs by engaging ValueLink to manage your inventory. Like this customer, who reduced on-hand storeroom inventory while also reducing storage and staff time. ValueLink reduces your workload by replacing bulk supplies delivered to a central location in your facility with individual totes organized by point of care, all while interfacing directly with your material management system for optimized ordering. This means less time spent sorting and stocking inventory. This holistic approach incorporates a revolutionary methodology we call the logical unit of measure. Rather than the manufacturer's lowest unit of measure, we deliver what you need. So if you use 72 instant cold packs a day, we deliver 72 instant cold packs a day and in a more efficient way. And ValueLink is the only distribution system that employs load sequencing at the department level. So if your ED needs cold packs right away, their supply tote is the last thing loaded on the truck and the first thing off the truck and in your hands. So we're reducing touch points to 1, and a drastic reduction of direct parcels delivered daily means less work, less error. Imagine how happy that will make your nursing and clinical teams. When it matters most, you can count on nearly 100 years of Cardinal Health supply chain experience and innovation. You can count on ValueLink.